I stopped paying for 5 different software subscriptions last month. Combined, they were costing me over $100 a month. I replaced every single one with free AI tools that work just as well, sometimes better. In this video, I'm showing you exactly what I switched to, so you can cancel those subscriptions today. Most people don't realize how much they're bleeding money on tools they barely use to their full potential. Design software, writing assistants, video editors, transcription services, the list adds up fast. I went through my own subscriptions one by one and found free alternatives powered by AI that matched or beat the paid versions. Let's go through them. Tool 1. Design software replacement. The first one I canceled was my paid design subscription. I was paying for templates, stock images, and premium export options every month. Instead, I switched to a free AI-powered design tool. You describe what you want, a poster, a thumbnail, a social media post, and it generates a fully editable design in seconds. No design skill needed. The free tier covers exports, templates, and basic branding tools that used to require the paid plan elsewhere. The trick here is learning to write good prompts instead of typing. Make a poster. Describe the mood, the colors, and the purpose. That's what gets you a professional result instead of a generic one. Tool 2. Writing Assistant Replacement. Next was my paid Writing Assistant subscription. I used it for grammar checking, tone adjustment, and rewriting sentences. Free AI chat tools now do all of that, and honestly more. You can paste a paragraph and ask it to fix grammar, change the tone to formal or casual, shorten it, or make it punchier. The difference is you're not locked into one function. You can ask it anything, from fixing a sentence to writing an entire outline. The key is being specific in your instructions. Tell it exactly what tone you want, who the audience is, and what to avoid. That's what separates a mediocre AI output from something that actually sounds like you. Tool 3. Video Editing Replacement. The third subscription I dropped was a paid video editor with premium effects and templates. Free AI-based video tools now handle auto-captioning, background removal, scene cutting, and even voice cloning for narration. What used to take hours of manual editing now takes minutes because the AI detects silence, removes filler words, and suggests cuts automatically. For creators specifically, this is huge. You upload raw footage, and the AI handles captions, pacing, and basic color correction, tasks that used to require either a paid plugin or hours of manual work. Tool 4. Transcription and Meeting Notes. The fourth one was a transcription service I used for meetings and interviews. I was paying monthly for accurate transcripts and summaries. Now, free AI transcription tools convert audio to text with high accuracy, and some even generate a summary with key points automatically. If you record meetings, interviews, or lectures, this alone can save hours of manual note-taking every week. Tool 5. Image Editing Replacement. The last one was a paid photo editing subscription. I used it mainly for background removal and basic touch-ups. Free AI image tools now do background removal in one click, upscale low-resolution images, and even fill in missing parts of a photo convincingly. For anyone selling products online or building content, this alone replaces a tool people pay for every single month. How to actually do this? Here's the honest part. These free tools aren't always as polished as the paid versions. Free tiers usually come with limits, fewer exports, watermarks, or usage caps. The way I get around this is by rotating between 2 or 3 free tools instead of relying on one. When one hits its limit, I switch to another. Also, most of these tools update fast. What's free today might get restricted next month, so it's worth checking their current pricing pages before committing your workflow to just one. So that's 5 paid subscriptions replaced with free AI tools, saving over $100 a month, without sacrificing quality. Software companies want you to believe you need the premium version. Most of the time you don't. If you want the exact names of the tools I use for each of these, comment "tools" below and I'll reply with the full list.